Exams are not simply exams. It also implies a lot about your mental well being, how well prepared you are before the examination day. And for that, being stress free is really important. There could be a circumstance that you know everything, you have read each and every line of the book, but closer to the exam, you get nervous, you feel that I'm not able to recall, I'm not able to remember what I read, I'll forget everything. So those kind of things actually come from anxiety, from stress. And this has to be reduced in all case, because if this is reduced, then automatically your some proportion of percentage would go up without a doubt. So what are some of the ways you can actually handle this or approach this? To approach this, it is important that before your examination, the early months of your examination, you are well prepared, well acquainted with the topics, you have summarized the topics, you have allocated proper time to the concepts that you feel are difficult, to the concepts that you feel require rote learning. Identify the key areas. It could be numericals, it could be English grammar, whatever you feel is something that challenges you. Focus more on that niche. Then it's important to practice, as we said in the previous sessions as well, relaxation, positive self-talk, deep breathing, healthy eating habits, avoiding lot of oily stuff. So those would help balance your sleep-wake cycle, and therefore you can have better concentration and better energy. Closer to the examination, a proper sound sleep is required, and then again, being confident at the examination hall. For that, whatever thing gives you positive vibes, gives you energy, should be adopted. It could vary for each individual, it's not a one thumb rule. So, the most important thing is have a positive mindset before your examination. Don't think, oh, I have left this section, I have not practiced this one, I'm not aware about this one, because those things would only create negativity around you. So maintain positive vibes, maintain positive mindset, avoid cramming, avoid rote learning, have effective study habits, effective learning, conceptual base, and that would help you in the last minute and would automatically boost your confidence. So understand, examination is not just one day game, it's how you have prepared yourself throughout the year, and that's what reflects on the final day. So that's important, and your stress would already be reduced if you are well prepared throughout the year. So wish you all the best for your forthcoming examination. Thanks for joining in.